to Cop Stories.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another show, SA Carp Stories. Welcome. We are today fishing at a dam called Belopan Dam, as you can see here. A very difficult dam, but we managed to catch a couple of good ones. I've got some recipes that I want to show you. Thanks Magic Baits, we did it again. I'll see you in the next clip. Okay guys, this is the first thing that you need to have when coming to the water. This is a beautiful liquid carp food feeder, and it's a booster obviously. So you mix that with your bait, with your mealy bomb, and the carp that I just caught now. And I am going to tell you to go and rush to the shops because this is going to be running out soon. This is going to make a name for itself. It has obviously been with Magic Baits for a long time, but Uncle Dudley in the picture here from Magic Baits, he's the uncle behind it. He had this all along in his little black book, and Magic Baits took it and refined the product. So this, for instance, is the Grenadella. Now I just marked it here with my own marking because I have bad eyesight. So that was on the ball, obviously with the Cypre on. And then on the top hook, banana and bluekom. I don't know if you know the floating gems from Magic Baits. Now this is going to be something that's going to be selling out soon as well. This was on the bottom hook. Check the name. In Afrikaans said it gifappeltjie. It means it's very dangerous in English. And this is a combination, as it says there, of pineapple and duivelsdraak. So you got to have this in your tackle box. But again, let me please just tell you for the last time, you have to get your Magic Baits for shore range. This is Lady Di Rose again. Remember, my eyesight is bad, and this also brought me very good luck today. So go to your nearest tackle shop, look for the Magic Baits for shore range, and thank Uncle Dudley later for what you caught. Thank you guys for watching. This is the first time that's ever happened to me, and it's again that Magic Baits. I think this fish was so crazy after that pineapple taste that it just gripped it. But thanks Rudy, thanks for taking the video. Finally, one of those combos that I'll show you just now. Let's see what's on the line. Dankie Rudy dat jy afneem. Hierso voel hy stewig. Kyk hoe bygestok bo. Voel baie lekker. Kom ons kyk wat gebeur hierso. Ek gaan nou sommer eers vir Rudy vra want hy moet my help skep. Ek gaan net vir julle so 'n stukkie wys. Miskien kom ons nader. Daar is 'n net. O, hierso is Tiff. Tiff is hierso. Hallo Tiff.
Go skep maar by.
So daar's hy net daar agter Tiff.
Daar's hy net skat.
Dis kyk, so hier gaan ons lekker. Bly van. Hy voel jou mooi. Ek het daai Lady Di, die Rose van Uncle Dudley Magic Baits. Yes baby. Dis daarop. Maar ons was besig om ons sou gefilm het. En ewe skielik hoor ek my katrol en ek sê vir Rudy, "Jo, ek dink iets is op die lyn." Daar's Tiffany daarvoor. Tiff sê 'n bietjie hallo vir die kamera daarso. Rudy is hier agter die kamera. En ek is so dankbaar vir hulle hulp, want braggies julle, hoe vang mense vis as jy man alleen is met 'n kamera en 'n net. Dis vrek moeilik. Ons sal nou check, hierdie lyn is omtrent uit 70 meter, sal ek sê 70-80 meter uit. En ek moet sê, rockets, papi, as jy nog nie rockets het nie, kry vir jou rockets. En dan vang ek met hierdie ou Kuma, die LS6 case. Ja, hy werk soos 'n bom. Ja, Rudy, wys vir ons bietjie daar, so ek is nou net te bang om hierdie vis te verloor. Dankie Rudy. Maar ja, hierdie combo werk super lekker. Hy's so gebalanseerd. En ek moet sê, ek kon lekker vang. Baie gereën vandag, julle. Die son min gesien vandag. Kom ons kyk, ek dink hy's daar by Tiff. Ja, daar kom hy, daarso. Rudy, kom ons kyk bietjie daar in die water naby. Terwyl as hy daarso lekker spring hy daar. Tiff, ek gaan hom vir jou mooi bring. And ladies and gentlemen, Tiff is English, so I got to speak to you in English. Tiffany, I promise I'll bring it to you. It doesn't feel too bad, guys. It actually feels quite a nice size. We've caught a couple for the day, but this one seems to fight the hardest out of the lot. Jo, ek gaan hom bring Tiff, I promise you. Kom ons kry hom. Definitely, this thing is tough still. He's got a lot of power in him. I think it's that magic baits that gave him extra energy. Oh, it is nice. Rudy, check daar, Rudy. Hy's mooi. Ek gaan hom lig. I'll bring it, Tiff. I'll bring it. It's coming. Yes, Tiff. Yes! Dankie julle. Check daar, so thank you, Tiff. High five. Dankie, mate, show me. What a wonderful day at Bloupand Dam. Despite the rain, despite the weather elements, we managed to land about 10 fish in total between the three of us. Thank you to my friends helping me to film this video, and we had fun. Magic baits, of course, all the way. I had my friends also catching with the magic baits today, just to prove to them that this product really works. I wish to see you guys soon at Bloupand Dam. Thanks for watching. See you soon.